If you're thinking about trying one of these kits, make sure to check Asian grocery stores before you order them online. You might find, like me, that they're almost half the price. Funnily enough, I can read the symbols, but I don't know what the words are. Tsukuro o Bento, something packed lunch. Lots of parts this time. Oh, there's a little flag you can make if you have a toothpick, and a lettuce print for decoration. The little packets come bundled in this one. This'll be for making the spaghetti later. Oh, this kit has a fork. The last one I did had a spatula. Only one cut has to be made this time. This is for measuring the water. Burokuri. Easy enough to guess what that means. To the brim, just like the instructions say. I think being thorough will pay off. Tamagoyaki something something. This is the egg. It doesn't want to come out. Feels a little bit like brushing your teeth. Taco-san Uina. Mr. Octopus Wiener? Perfectly filled. I didn't stir carefully enough. It overflowed and there are bubbles. Step 5 is more complicated. You make the onigiri and the little panda man. Gotta be careful not to mess up the decoration part. Oh, this one's different. I can hear it fizzing. It's fluffy. It's very squishy, but not as easy to mold as it might look. Let's do the rice bowl first. A little rough, but that'll do. It's hard to judge how much to use even with the guide. I think this'll be okay. We must be delicate with the black sesame. Any stray grains will ruin the design. After we've poured, we can clean it up a bit, but the better the start, the easier the cleanup. What a mess. Don't panic. This is the seaweed sheet, and here's where you color the ears. The moment of truth. Hey, look at that little guy, almost too happy to eat. He couldn't hear me say that though, so let's give him an ear. Onigiri, done. Karaage next. That's Japanese chicken nuggets. Just one, because this is going to be thicker than the rice. Two little nugs, and they look realistically greasy. Napolitan, some kind of Japanese spaghetti, I guess. A double measure this time. We're going to be piping it from a bag, so it needs to be sloppy. All we have to do is snip the end off and squeeze. That was quicker than I expected. It's already time to serve up. A little bit of lettuce. Then the karaage. On goes the rice ball. Now the trickier stuff. We gotta get these gummies out without ripping them. Easier than I thought. I was imagining it being stuck in there. Kinda hard to see the details, but they're there. Enjoy your chicken nugget pillow, Mr. Octopus. This one has to be carefully rolled. A masterpiece. If I saw it alone, I'm not sure I'd guess it's egg though. Burokuri. I'm getting more confident pulling these out now. I was being so careful, but still didn't mix it enough. Oh well, it's easy enough to clean up. I will say it looks more like a radioactive mushroom than broccoli though. Now a fun part. I get to show off my creative side with this spaghetti squid. Beautiful, I'm sure you agree. Last but not least, Panda and his ears. You know, I'm pretty pleased with how this has turned out. Not exactly like the box, but I'm still a beginner and this is difficulty 4. Let's try the wiener first. That is a disgusting, vaguely strawberry flavored mush. The texture is a no-go. Let's hope this omelet's a bit better. I think being thin will help it. It's not incredible, but it's got a lemon boiled sweet flavor, and the texture's passable. Being less thick seems to have allowed it to firm up a bit more. There's a slight chew to it. I'm gonna guess this one's lime. Well, either I'm going crazy or this one tastes like grape. One of my favorites, but the texture is just so horrible. Coarse in a pre-chewed kind of way. Come on, noodles. Everyone loves spaghetti. Not reassured by the Play-Doh appearance. Little bit sweet, little bit sour. I think this is grape too, but so many sweet fruity things in a row might be throwing me off. Not as repulsive as the others, but it's still just a goo. Come on, karaage. The real version's always a safe bet. generic sour fruity candy taste with a squishier, spongier texture. I can eat it, but I'd never want to eat it again. Don't let me down, Panda Man. It's your time to shine. You're our last hope. The texture is like a firmer version of the karage, almost bordering on marshmallow, but squidgier. It doesn't bounce back as well. The flavor is pink bubblegum. This is the nicest thing in the kit. I hesitate to call it good, but I'd be a lot happier if everything was on this level. That's all for this time. It really seems like these kits are more for looks than for taste. Have you tried one? Was it tasty? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Super Yummy Munchie Cat.